Breaking news: Bitcoin and Tesla. Bitcoin broke a new all-time high as Tesla revealed through a filing with the SEC that they have invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, and are planning to accept BTC as a form of payment in the future. Tesla buys $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, plans to accept it as payment. Tesla announced in an SEC filing Monday that it has bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. The company also said it would start accepting Bitcoin as a payment method for its products. CEO Elon Musk has been credited for raising the prices of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, through his messages on Twitter. In a filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission, the company said it bought the Bitcoin for more flexibility to further diversify and maximize returns on our cash. Tesla announced Monday, February 8, it has bought $1.5 million worth of Bitcoin. That would make Tesla the first major automaker to do so. Tesla also said it will start accepting payments in Bitcoin in exchange for its products subject to applicable laws and initially on a limited basis. In mere minutes, Bitcoin instantly rose from $39,000 to a new all-time high of $44,900 at the time of writing, growing over plus 14% on the news. This instant market reaction underscores the monumental nature of Tesla going public with their Bitcoin purchases, which cannot be understated. The $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin will give Tesla liquidity in the cryptocurrency once it starts accepting it for payments. The company said it purchased the Bitcoin for more flexibility to further diversify and maximize returns on our cash. The news makes Tesla the first automaker to accept the cryptocurrency. Carson Block, founder of Muddy Waters Research, doubts any federal interference in CEO Elon Musk's plans. The SEC just does not have a record of success against Elon Musk, so I expect any effort in that direction to go, it would just be a dead end basically. Dan Ives, managing director of equity research at Wedbush, sees upside for the stock. This is Tesla and Musk diving into the deep end of the pool on crypto, and it's something that's been rumored for a while, and ultimately now this is really them putting substance behind his view. I think it's something the street will have a differing view of, but ultimately, this is definitely going to be viewed as a positive for the stock. Mike Novogratz, founder of Galaxy Digital, sees this as a pioneering move that other companies will adopt. Every company should be looking at how to accept digital currencies, digital payments as part of their business scheme. It's not that difficult. It's what customers want, it's where the world is moving. And so that I think he's getting ahead of the curve, and I think you're going to see every company look to figure out how they could, from McDonald's to Bojangles, you name it. Mohamed El-Erian, chief economic advisor at Allianz, said this should give Bitcoin a boost. What did Tesla tell you? Two things. One is that this will be a form of payment. And two is that this is an investment vehicle. So those are two powerful endorsements for the notion. I want to stress the notion that Bitcoins are a currency, a money, because after all, money is a store of value. Money is a form of payments. So yes, that will build further momentum. As to the reaction, it's going to be all over the place. Some will see it as visionary, others will say, wait a minute, if I want to invest in Bitcoin, I'll do it directly, I don't need Tesla to do it for me. So you're going to see a whole range of reactions, but for Bitcoin holders, Monday's good news. Tesla's move into Bitcoin represents an investment of a significant percentage of its cash in the investment. The company had more than $19 billion in cash and cash equivalents on hand at the end of 2020, according to its most recent filing. The moves raise questions around CEO Elon Musk's recent behavior on Twitter, where he has been credited for increasing the prices of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Dogecoin by posting positive messages that have encouraged more people to buy the digital currencies. The move is a game changer for the entire crypto industry, as the world's wealthiest man Elon Musk and one of the world's largest and most futuristic companies under his leadership have made it official that Bitcoin is part of their balance sheet. 2 weeks ago, the billionaire Tesla-owned added the hashtag Bitcoin to his Twitter bio, a move that helped to briefly push up the price of the cryptocurrency by as much as 20%. 2 days later, he said on the social media chat site Clubhouse, "I do at this point think Bitcoin is a good thing, and I am a supporter of Bitcoin." Bitcoin prices surged to new highs Monday following Tesla's announcement, reaching a price of at least $44,200. Tesla shares were up more than 2% Monday morning. In its SEC filing, Tesla warned investors of the volatility of Bitcoin's price. Musk has gotten into trouble for his market-moving tweets in the past, but it's unclear how that applies to his tweets about cryptocurrencies. Most notably, the SEC charged Musk with fraud in 2018 for his tweets about taking the company private at $420 per share. Musk ultimately settled with the SEC, and was forced to give up his role as chairman of the company's board and pay a $20 million fine on top of another $20 million fine for the company itself. Moreover, the fact that Tesla is planning to accept Bitcoin as a form of payment in the near future for their products increases the belief in BTC as a form of payment for goods and services worldwide. This in turn makes it more plausible for other companies to follow Tesla's lead, which would make BTC accepted as a currency and payment on a more mainstream and broader level globally than it is today. Before ending this video, this is my best tip to you: buy some Bitcoin every month, no matter the price. You don't need to buy one whole Bitcoin. Start with $20. Start with a sum that you won't miss, and make a plan for 4 years. For small and large investors, long-term thinking has always been the best strategy. This has been SuccessWise Biz, your online marketing solution. Also check out my video on the best top cryptos to invest in 2021. Do forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.